There's something truly special about seeing the Christmas season through the eyes of children.
The gifts we give, but about the love, laughter and happiness we share. In our sisters, Sukrin and Little. Children who are on the
Christmas is about more than just the decoration. It's about family, tradition, and the memories we create together. And today, thanks to the creativity and hard work of our children, this tree is a symbol of love and joy we share during this magical season. To share his holiday cheers with all of us.
Let us all wave back at center. Everyone, come on, raise our hands up and wave the center. Look at him, everyone. That's a big man in red with his snowy white beard and his twinkling eyes, looking just as jolly as ever. Here at Christmas visit, Santa loves to see all the especially when they are filled with new Christmas spirit.
This man he sees you when you're sleeping. He knows when you're awake. He knows you're feeling good or bad. So be good for goodness sake. You better watch out, you better not cry, you better not.
Please give away the party bags while the spot prize is going on.